So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the filmed footage that I want the most. Find the exact parts that I want to show in this filmed footage. So I can zoom in a little bit on my filmed footage so we can see the timeline better. I wanted to show myself drinking the water. So I'm going to bring it back to about here and start the film right here. Now we're going to start cutting. We can use the cut tool or the razor tool, but you'll notice that the shortcut key for the razor tool is the letter C. So click on the letter C and that turns your cursor into a razor. I'm going to cut here, drag the timeline to the right until he pulls the drink away from his face and cut right there. Press the V for the move tool. The move tool is a V. Now, if you're in Premiere Pro a lot, you're going to learn these shortcut keys because it's going to make it easier and quicker for you to work in the program. I'm going to select the beginning of the filmed footage and delete it. And then select the end of the filmed footage, delete it. Drag the first part over to the beginning of the timeline. Let's scroll over to the next part. So I want to show him looking at the glass of water. So I'm going to cut it right here, and then I'm going to cut it after he's looking at the glass for a little while. Click on that. Let's select the beginning of that filmed footage and delete it, and select the end of that filmed footage and delete it. Now here is a pro tip. If we click between the two filmed footages like this, it highlights that area. We can press the delete button to bring that film footage right next to the other filmed footage. Right now I have 9 seconds. If I do another 9, that'll be 18 seconds, which is a great amount of time for this short film. So for this part, I want to show the person walking in and looking out the window. So let's put it here, click on the C, cut the film. Let's drag it over to the right where he's looking out the window. And right about there where he's looking out, let's cut it. Press the V to get the shortcut for the move tool. Select the end of the filmed footage to delete it and the beginning of the film footage to delete it. Delete between these two filmed footages and press delete. The next part I want to show right from here where he falls back and feels nauseous. And I'm going to drag that to over here, right about here. And click on the V for the move tool. Let's select the last part of the film and the beginning of the film and delete those two parts. And then click in the middle here to delete that space. And now we have a filmed footage that is around 20 seconds, maybe 21 seconds. This lesson will continue in the next video.